On this Republic Day of India, 26th January, we proudly celebrate the spirit of our Constitution and the democratic values that guide our nation's progress. This day reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect India's environment while pursuing inclusive and sustainable development. As we march toward a resilient future, our commitment to implementing sustainable development projects remains stronger than ever. We firmly believe that climate change mitigation must begin at the grassroots level through practical, people-centric solutions. Biogas and waste-to-energy projects play a vital role in this journey by converting organic waste into clean, renewable energy while addressing sanitation, waste management, and energy security. These initiatives reduce greenhouse gas emissions, promote decentralized energy systems, and support livelihoods, especially in rural and urban communities alike. By integrating sustainability into development planning, we can balance economic growth with environmental protection. Our ongoing efforts in biogas implementation, organic waste management, and clean energy adoption contribute directly to national climate goals and global sustainability commitments. On this Republic Day, we renew our pledge to work collaboratively with communities, institutions, and stakeholders to scale up climate-friendly solutions. Together, let's build a cleaner, greener, and more self-reliant India for present and future generations. Thank you.